What's up, guys? I'm just thinking about making a short video about my plans and my what's about to come. So I'm not tired of this bike. I really like it still, but as in Star Wars, as Luke Skywalker said, I need more. I
want more. And I know I shouldn't.
That's how I feel. I need more power. More power, baby. No, but seriously, I feel like I need more power. Like it's not slow. Like it's not a slow bike. But I don't know. The dopamine hits from driving, accelerating hard. It's something else. It's amazing. It's actually awesome. So anyways, last week I test drove a Honda Hornet CB1000 and inline 4, and it sounded amazing, like seriously amazing. Oh, forgot my backpack. It's still early in the morning, guys, so I'm still a little bit tired, but yeah, the Hornet was good. Today, hopefully after work, I'm going to test drive a Suzuki GSX S1000 GT, because, and I hope the sitting position will be good. The Hornet was a little bit cramped for me. I didn't quite fit on it. The first one was the Hornet, but it was too small. It sounded amazing. Inline 4 engine. And the second one is the Suzuki. And I will also test drive a BMW S1000 XR. It's the XR it's an ugly bike. It's super ugly, but I mean it ticks all the boxes. Inline 4, high revving, fast AF. Sounds great. So we'll see. And that depends if I go test drive it today, because of the weather. The weather has been crap all week. Last week, this week, it will be crap as well, so. If you want any advice, don't get tall. Can't fit on any bike. And also, I don't have so much vacation this year. I have 1.5 weeks in 2 weeks, I think. And I have 1 week. The last of August. The last week of August I'm also off. So like, I feel tired. I need a long vacation, like last year. But because of my wife graduating school, she started working, so she doesn't have any vacation days. So we can't go Croatia. as usual. So we just hammer down and work this summer. I can take a few days off extra in over Christmas and New Year's Eve. Now I'm on my way to work, almost. I'm going to work out first and then go to work. I really hate waking up early in the morning. I hate it. I'm all groggy, like sucks balls. But it's nice because then you don't have to work out after your work, right? So I mean, plus minus. If I do go check that bike out today, I can film it a little bit. Yeah, and just after 30 minutes of driving the Hornet, like when I got off the bike, my lower back hurt, and also my knee hurt. My right knee hurted when I rode it. I couldn't quite, like, the power's there, the engine was nice, the sound was great, but to buy a motorcycle then have to modify it so and so much just to be able to sit somewhat comfortably. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to ask ChatGPT. That's just a small something from my thoughts. Like it sucks. It really sucks. There's no like perfect bike. Like I like this one, but it tops out at 200. Can't go any faster. I mean, it's stable. It isn't wobbly, so I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. Thanks for watching my small little update. And who knows? Who knows what I will buy or what I will not buy. Doesn't matter. We shall see. Take care and leave a like, comment and subscribe. Peace.